Hey, this is Ben, and we are looking at Lego set 21143. This is the Nether portal. So let's see what comes in the box here. We have a Steve minifigure with a shield and a diamond sword, a blaze, a baby zombie pigman, a ghast, and there's a magma ball. This magma ball has a little bit of movement here. The set comes with a track system. The minecart has these little guide pegs at the bottom so it can fit inside the track and move along the track. This Nether portal does have a full swivel door that goes front ways and back ways. It also comes with a treasure chest, a diamond pickaxe, some potion bottles, some mushrooms, and actually a glowstone. And I can't show this on video, but this actually does glow in the dark. The ghast does shoot a fireball out of its mouth, and it does so with this axle in the back. You need to be careful because it does shoot pretty far, and then this just slips right back in. There's a lava fall here coming down the corner, and just with the movement of a little lever here, this will fall down like in the game. All around, this is just a really cool set. Great addition to your Minecraft collection. You can have this on its own, or you can combine it with a couple of the other sets there. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.